Right, this is the follow-up video for the bit that I missed out of the Victron video. Look where we are. Absolutely beautiful location. Emma's in the office doing some work. I'm currently trashing the van. Right, we'll do this together. I'm going to drag Emma out the office so she can film me, and we'll show you. Because I missed part out of the video that we put out yesterday on the Victron installation. Because we filmed it at the end. It was something we done at the end that I meant to put in. So, totally my fault. Made a complete rod for me back. But some people are getting a little bit pissy in the comments. Saying I'm putting people's lives in danger. We've said it loads of times. If you're going to do things, do your research. Look, at these, we don't do educational videos. We just don't. We're just us doing us. You know what I mean? If people want to copy and follow things like that, do so basically at your own risk. Look into things yourselves. But there's nothing that we've ever done on this van that has ever been an issue, never been a concern. There's been no danger. Take this part off. Take this part off. And this bit. Bad time for the batteries to run out on the screwdriver. But that's my fault as well.
Did you not charge it?
No. Right. So the issue was, people said that we put the fuse in the wrong place. What I didn't explain in the video, which is my fault, is that we were using the fuse as an actual splitter. Yes, we were sent a splitter, but we used that on the earth connections. Hopefully this comes off. So, this is where the cable went in for the Orion. That I can't get off. We have a 100 amp fuse on there. We are waiting for some spare 50s and some spare 100s to come. They haven't arrived yet, but we did put a fuse on it. So it's fused from the battery, going all the way under the van, going to the splitter, and then going to the Orions. So it's perfectly fine. Also, another thing, people said that what happens if the cable was damaged underneath? Now, Emma can confirm this. Where the cable is routed underneath, we would have to take out the bottom of the van. We would have to take out the full, steering rack. What else would we have to take out?
Chassis.
Basically, yeah, because it's that high up. It's above everything. It's above the tank. It's above the gas tank. So we would have more of an issue if that cable was ever to be damaged by being underneath the van, because it's that high. But just wanted to come on and show to people that, yeah, sometimes you mess up when you're doing videos, and sometimes you forget to put things in.
It's an easy mistake to make.
Because, weirdly enough, just like you, we're human. But we don't do educational videos.
No.
We're not teachers.
No.
But this is a lovely spot, though.
Great office space.
Yeah. And in the video for the Victron install as well, I did pin a comment in there telling people that we had fused it. I did put a post on a community feed telling people that we did actually fuse it. And then the beginning of last night's live stream and the end of last night's live stream, what did we do?
Also confirmed. All of the above.
But yet people want to go and send us emails, which it's fine, if they're worried, if they're concerned, that's not a problem. But
no, that is a nice actual thing to do. So.
It's when people get a little bit pissy and tell us that we're putting people's lives in danger.
I would never do any work on a van that I didn't feel comfortable doing.
No.
And if I was to do electrical stuff or gas or anything like that has a danger element, I would always check with someone who had more knowledge than myself.
Totally.
I wouldn't just go off a YouTube video.
We're not electricians, you know what I mean? Although we're very competent DIYers, we're not electricians. But never an issue with our van. Will's not had an issue with his van. The trolls have never had an issue with their van. And as far as I know, Charlie and Lauren have never had a problem with their van either. And we've done work on all of them and helped loads of people. So, just before you leave your comments, don't be so judgmental. Also, stay hydrated as well, because it's going to be a really warm day today.
Scorchio!
And I'm not a doctor, and I'm not professing to be a medical expert, but water does help.
Hydration is key.
Right, very short one, just explaining the mistakes that I made in the editing process.
Sorry.
Ta-ta.
Bye-bye.